is making an all-star formula about having a bunch of individual great ingredients when it comes to a team or a supplement combination? Or is it about how they work together? Well, I'm sure that we can all agree it's very important to have synergistic effects, not only between teammates and a lot of things in life, but supplements as well. And I would like to supplement that with a recent example from a new trial that just came out on around 100 trained athletes. They gave them 2.7 milligrams per pound of body weight of caffeine and or about a cup's worth of beetroot juice prior to exercise. And the results showed that there was no difference between those who had just caffeine, just the beetroot juice, or interestingly, both together. Beetroot contains betaine, right? It's an osmolyte. It promotes the influx of water into cells and hydrating them. But really, we talk about nitrates when it comes to beets. And nitrates are converted to nitrites and then nitric oxide in the human body. And so nitric oxide opens up our blood vessels, improving the delivery of blood oxygen and nutrition to all of our tissues, right? And so we would assume that that could improve exercise performance. And that is well proven. But in combination with caffeine, it didn't do any more or less. And the same goes for caffeine with beetroot juice. So no synergistic effect found there. It was a relatively small trial. We could use some more research combining them to know for sure if together they could provide additional benefit than taking one alone. But what are some synergies that we know of in the supplement world when it comes to enhancing physical performance, exercise performance? Well, creatine and beta-alanine is a fantastic synergy. Huperzine A, also known as Huperzia serrata of fir moss, is an acetylcholinesterase inhibitor. It inhibits, in other words, an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine. What the hell is that? It's a chemical, a neurotransmitter, right, or a brain chemical that helps to improve focus, attention, memory, motivation, mood, arousal, facilitates muscle contraction as well, and levels deplete as we exercise. So we'd like to maintain higher levels of acetylcholine for both mental and physical performance. And when you combine Huperzine A with something like alpha GPC, alpha glycerol phosphorylcholine, that increases levels of acetylcholine, right? That learning neurotransmitter we were talking about. And so if you have something that prevents it from getting broken down and something that produces it, that is another example of synergy. Combining B vitamins with things that give you energy is another example of synergy, right? Because B vitamins are all coenzymes, or they're little biological machines, you could say, that are involved in energy production pathways, right? And breaking down things like sugar and fat and even protein sometimes for energy. We do require B vitamins for those reactions to occur. And so they make for a synergy with anything that would boost energy levels, right? And so we talk about things like creatine, or we talk about things like caffeine and citrulline malate and all sorts of other things. And that's why in Super You, baby, we got all those things together. But, you know, a lot of testing went into, and another one would be astragalus, right? Astragalus combined with Panax notoginseng, maybe the most famous adaptogen or plant compound that helps to reduce stress and anxiety. This video is not intended to reduce anxiety, treat, cure, prevent any disease. You gotta say that before they take my video down or something. But when you combine those, this patented compound by New Live Science, Astra-Gin, A-S-T-R-A, gin, right? Not estrogen, right? It's astragalus, and ginseng combined. Reduces inflammation in your gut, and it improves intestinal permeability, the absorption of other vitamins and minerals and amino acids, and by a lot. And so that's why when you combine that with things like creatine or L-theanine or citrulline malate and all these sorts of things like we have in Super You, which we also have that, you know, it improves your absorption. That's a synergistic effect. So it's not so simple, and this video is not about Super You, it just so happens they all happen to be in there. But, you know, it's not so simple as just putting a bunch of all-stars in a formula and saying they're going to work great, right? If you have a team full of great players and they can't work together because they're all, you know, too damn stubborn to work as a team, what good does it do, right? You know, and the same goes for supplements, and the same goes for a lot of different areas of life. So that is what we got for you guys today. I hope you found it interesting. We got a birthday today, and that's Mike Lawrence's birthday. Happy birthday, brother. This one is for you, my fine feathered friend. I'm going to sing to your ass right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mike Lawrenson. Happy birthday to you. Many more, my brother. Have a great day. And I'm thinking of you today, man. This is your day in the Book of One Wellness. What's up, Mr. Ang DNS? Dave Beast from the East. That's what I'm talking about. Killing it. What's up, Diane? How you doing, pretty girl? Jose Filippo. Sabine, what's up, baby girl? How you doing? Ash. Hello, my dear. Gotta see you soon. Keep saying it. Gotta make it happen. As for now. So we got for you, folks. We'll see you tomorrow, baby. Not sure where, not sure when, but we'll see you then. Have an amazing rest of your day today. Thank you very much. Happy One Wellness. See ya.